Hi, my name is Britton Roberts with PixelFLEX. We're at InfoComm 2025, day one, and this is our VisionPro Go. We have a motorized unit, which is a very seamless and easy to use type of design. The design comes with a LCD button that goes up or down and basically unfolds automatically. The point of this product is to provide a display that does not need a technician to operate it. You can essentially send a salesperson without any technicians or any kind of technical experience. They can deploy this without any problems by themselves, and you can see that the seams as it folds out are very good. This did not need any configuration as it delivered to site, so this is the kind of experience you would expect as it delivers to your own event. This is a 1.2 millimeter pixel pitch in a 108 inch diagonal. We also have other options going up to 165 inch diagonal in different pixel pitches as well. You're welcome to find this at pixelflexled.com.